afternoon, everyone. It's an honor itself to actually honor these beautiful people who have just joined us gathered here. I'm Brinda Jain, Marketing Manager of Kizzer Technologies. I welcome you on the behalf of Kizzer Technologies. Thank you all for giving us your precious time. Before moving forward, let me acknowledge everyone, uh, acknowledge the presence of our eminent guests. First of all, I'll start with Mr. Kizzer Ahmed. He's the CEO and founder of Kizzer Technology, one-person company private limited. He's also an director of ClickArt, which is a non-profitable organization. Mr. Kizzer Ahmed is very passionate about web development, and he strives to better himself as an entrepreneur. And moreover, he says like he wants to develop himself as a development community as a whole. So welcome.
Thank you so much, Vrinda.
Okay, moving forward, we have Dr. Lata Murthy, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello. Hello, good afternoon.
Ma'am, Lata Murthy, ma'am, she is an educationist with over 3 decades of expertise. She has been serving MAS, which is basically a Microsoft. She has been serving as a program director. She's also an international speaker for STEM. And apart from this, she is a social worker associated with NGOs, and she believes to bring a change in the society for a better progressive India. More importantly, she is an advisor to Kizzer Technologies. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, so moving apart, we have Dr. Venkata Raidu with us. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, can you hear? Okay, sir. Dr. Venkata Raidu. Okay, so basically, Dr. Venkata Raidu, he is hailing from a farmer family in a village called Poraki, which is in Vijayawada, in Andhra Pradesh. So basically, he has done his degree in BSc and BEd, and post-graduation he has done in MCA and MBA. And after this, Dr. Raidu, his dedication and education and commitment towards the academic excellence has actually led to the establishment of his own schools. He has his own colleges. In fact, he has a professional training centers where actually he has helped many students, engineering students and MCA students to get placed in topmost corporate companies in UK and USA. Not only this, he has trained many NGOs and educational institute in leadership. Apparently, he's a director in the boards of more than 20 prestigious schools and colleges in South India, and he's the leading CEO of Indo Sunrise International School. We welcome you, sir. Moving forward,
sorry, Vrinda, sorry to interrupt.
Yes,
I don't know whether he is able to hear us or not. At present, he is serving Gurukulam Residential International School.
Okay, sorry. So he's right now serving.
He was CEO earlier with the Indo Sunrise International School, and at present he is serving Gurukulam Residential International School.
Okay, so right now sir is serving as CEO in Gurukulam International School. Okay, ma'am. So moving forward, we have with us Dr. R. Vijay Saraswati. She's a Vice Chancellor in Saint Mother Teresa University. Hello, ma'am. For digital educational excellence and sustainability development, headquartered at Melbourne, Australia. She is also a CEO and founder of Godwin Academy, and she has published her own books. She has published Will, Happiness, and You. Her second book was Love, Learn, and Leverage. And her third book is 1008 Quotes to Move You Fast Forward and More. Ma'am, we welcome you. Moving forward with us, we have Mr. R.V. Shrikant. Good afternoon, sir. He's a professional photographer having an experience of for 25 years and specialized in candid photograph. He's the proprietor of Shrikant Photography, and he's also the treasurer of Karnataka Photography Association. We welcome you, sir. Moving.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Moving,
Good
we
afternoon.
have Dr. Ramini Balu. Good afternoon, ma'am. She's a corporate trainer. She's organizational psychologist, counselor, educator, positive attitude coach, and motivational speaker. She has done her doctorate in psychology. She is certified as a corporate trainer from Indian Academy of Training and Development. Apart from this, she is also certified as counselor and life skill coach from Banjara Academy. We welcome, ma'am. We welcome all of you. Basically, why we are here, the main agenda for us is basically here we have come to talk about COVID-19. This is a worldwide threat. People are panicking. People are taking measures. So here we have we have with us directors and entrepreneurs from different organization fields. So we want to discuss about how they are overcoming the new threat. We'll be discussing here the views, what are the precautions taken by them, how they are supporting their employee to work from home, and how each person is supporting nation. So from here, I'll hand over to Dr. Lata Murthy, ma'am. Ma'am, please take from here.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Vrinda, for the lovely
Yeah.
introduction.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. And I saw one more person who has joined us. His name was Prajwal Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. So basically, yeah, Prajwal, he is he's a marketing analyst of Kizar Technology.
Okay.
Yeah. So he's here. Welcome, Prajwal.
Hi, ma'am. Actually, sir, due to
there is some issue with his camera, ma'am.
All right, not an issue, not a problem. Okay, first of all, I just wanted to say that you all are saying that, everybody is saying that COVID-19, it's a threat to the world itself, and everybody is shocked and what can you say, very scared, and we have all been stuck in the house, locked down by the government, by the Prime Minister. And he's doing a wonderful job, Prime Minister, in fact. Some people are supporting, some people are not supporting. I think you're all aware of, which
Exactly,
is unfair, correct?
Exactly.
Yes, very true.
Where most of us, we are struggling to come out of this.
Very
but
true.
Some of them, we are trying to, emphasize saying that they have to be, if they are sick, the others also have to fall sick. Okay. So we are trying to avoid that. However, this lockdown has created a lot of crisis in the industries, including MNCs, educational institutions, everywhere, each and every, the business has affected. So let us discuss and go through various ways. Now we are going to talk about how we are going to overcome this and what are we doing with our employees who are working from home. Working from home means are they working from home morning according to the timings given at the office, or working from home means we are working only for limited
Or
hours.
home.
Okay, so
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
working at home as well because we don't have anybody to help us. We are working at home, but what type of work are we doing? Is it bringing any benefit to our companies? Is it influencing others? Okay, so we have to think about this, and let's take it forward. Employees must not lose hope, keeping that in mind. Okay, so how are we thinking of them as a very important role being played in our companies or in our institutions or in our organizations? So can somebody throw light on this?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Brinda, you can go ahead.
No, ma'am, I was just going to tell. Ma'am, you can go ahead with this.
Go
No problem.
ahead. Go ahead. Finish it off.
Can we have
No, ma'am,
Mr. Venkata Raidu to speak, sir? Because sir has one more meeting and he has given us his precious time. Mr. Venkat Raidu, can you please go ahead, sir?
We can't hear him.
Sir, we are not able to hear you, sir. No, sir, we are not able to hear you.
Not able to hear and see as well.
No,
I think he
you
has
have to
to on
move the
that
screen
microphone.
as you mentioned. We can see
No
Prajwal now.
microphone.
Yeah, ma'am.
No, sir, we are not able to hear you, sir.
I think he has to switch on the microphone or something.
His microphone is on, ma'am, but we are not able to hear him.
Tell him to raise the volume in the mobile, please. Sir, his volume button. Tell him to check his volume button. Increase his
so
volume button in the
we
mobile.
can hear you now. I think he's audible to everyone.
No.
Okay, I can hear him. Sir, can you just talk again?
I can hear a murmuring sound. That's it. I can't hear audible.
Okay, sir is disconnected. He'll reconnect. Brinda.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please go ahead, ma'am?
Ma'am, can you go ahead? Dr. Ramini Balu, ma'am.
Yeah. My heart definitely goes to all these victims of COVID-19. And of course, it's a very horrible time what each one of us are facing now. And we have never seen the situation at all in our life. And this is something new for all of us. And staying at home, staying cool and staying positive, staying calm is what my policy is all about. Staying at home, yes, you will not be interacting with others and spreading the virus. Staying cool, that is from physical point of view, like it's a health concept. When it comes to staying cool and relaxed and stay positive is more of charging your brain. Staying at home, as Lataji already pointed out very clearly, these employees are staying at home and it is really a tough job for them to handle at home. And most of the time they are in calls and they're not able to interact with their colleagues and take the initiative forward. So what I would suggest is always how I'm taking this. That is the question asked by Lataji, I guess. How I'm visualizing this entire process and how I'm taking forward. Yes, I'm banning all my WhatsApp messages related to COVID, and I don't watch news because that is more of negativity, which is inducing you, and you get into a very emotional and also a negative feeling. Just to avoid these things, I stop watching. I don't. And one thing I would like to tell myself is, or tell you all is, I've taken an oath that I will not forward any messages related to this COVID, because that is really, really, brainstorming for all of us. And people are really getting upset and worried what is going around, because some of the figures are really not true. And some of the forward messages also are not true. And this is really impacting their mental setup. What I would suggest is, this is a time where you can relax, look into your hobbies. That's what I do. I just look into my hobbies and see, what is that I kept for, without looking into it, especially gymming, which I never did, which I never worked on it for a long, from couple of months or years, I can tell. Like I was always postponing it, telling that I didn't have time. Now I cannot do that. Yes, I have time. So let me focus on my health, mental, physical, and all the well-being, spiritual as well. So that will keep our mind more active and, more of positivity filled. This is how I see it. And how do I support? Yes, whatever the Modi government suggests, I definitely agree for it and I go for it. And I also practice, and I also look forward for people to give their hand and support him in a great way, so we can have safe India and safe earth as well. So it's not that only we have to take care of ourselves, we should also think of our mother earth, which is very, very important at this point. So my suggestion for all of you is, please stay focused, please be positive, take your time off for meditation and do some exercise and keep yourself fit. Yes, any other questions? I can just go forward and take it.
Ma'am, you said like you are doing medications, you have started doing something, ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
that is actually very commendable. But regarding, see, ma'am, we are working every day, even on Sunday, Saturday, we can feel work. We'll take off from our companies. We'll be like, okay, we are going on a vacation. But even though we'll be loaded with work, we'll be like, we cannot sit idle. So we are continuing a life of working each and every day. So this 21 days of lockdown, ma'am, this question is not only to you, to everyone. I want, like, did you ever felt at one particular point that this is not going, this is not happening, I want to step out of the home, I have to step out, I have to go, I want something? Is something this kind of thoughts?
No, I always respect Modi's principles and policies or whatever the initiative is taking. So
Yes, ma'am.
I go for him, and it is for safe India. So it's not something like I have to feel that I wanted to go out. No, it is the benefit for an individual as well. So it has never come to my mind that I should step. To tell the fact, it's already 15 days past stepping outside. I've never gone
Yes,
outside
ma'am.
at all. I'm always inside the house, focusing on my work. And of course, some online trainings are going on. So I'm into that. And I'm also doing some emotional consultations as well at my free time. So this keeps me packed all the time. And I don't think I should step out. That has never come into my mind.
But do you think, Dr. Ramani Balu, do you think that you would like to continue in the same way going ahead? Or because
No,
I feel that you are in the comfortable zone right now. So
no, Lata, ma'am. What I feel is I'm more positive in nature. I know this is going to come to an end. This will definitely come to an end by other week or two. So let us wait for the good, let us wait for it. And this will definitely not going to continue. There's a change always. And when there's a sunlight, there's always a dark. When there's night, there's a day. So now we are in night. So hopefully we'll see the daylight as early as possible. So keeping that in note, I think this is not going to last long.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Can we have Mr. Shrikant, sir? Can we have your views?
Dr. Venkat Raidu was asking
Yeah.
for the permission. I think somebody,
you can finish with Dr. Venkat Reddy, right? Because he has one more meeting. You can go ahead.
Okay,
with
sir.
Dr. Venkat Reddy.
Yeah, sir. Mr. Venkat Raidu, sir, can you hear us?
Yes. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yeah,
Yes,
we can.
yes,
Sir.
Dr. Venkat.
Yeah.
So can we have your words?
Yes. Very good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Lata
sir.
Good evening,
Murthy
sir. Good evening.
and host Brinda and Dr. M. Ramabalu and some more hosts like some of people, there's Srikanth, Fazal Kumar, and who invited me, Faizar Ahmad. All of you. See, last month myself, Ramni Balu, and Lata Murthy madam, we all attended one a conference in Coimbatore. I was one panel member in one discussion. Then the question shooted by Lata Murthy madam was, when will this shift happen, like this online learning and all this technology will be used in the education? Then
Yes.
one person, one very senior person told it will take 50 years. And one more person, he told it will take more than 10 years, he told. And
Yes.
from Microsoft, one guest came like somewhere around, he's Mr. Ali said, he told it will be coming in another very shortly in 2 or 5 years, he told. But at that time I told already that shift was happened. That shift was happened. See, this is the future education. See, nature is forcing us to uh, learn this education. Who knows Zoom? Who knows Zoom? Nowadays, all my children are also in Zoom. All my family members are in Zoom. Everybody in this world is in Zoom only. In their mobile also they are in Zoom. In their laptops, computers, and everywhere they are in Zoom only.
Sure,
Even
you're so correct.
yes. I travel every day 65 kilometers from Whitefield to somewhere Denklikota near Hosur, to a very big school, that is 32-acre school, where some of our friends took that school, and I am developing that school. I am also directing different schools. See, every day morning 65 kilometers, evening 65 kilometers, 130 kilometers I used to travel.
But now Zoom is better than traveling.
4 o'clock. But see, my time, it became like morning 9, I will sit in front of the computer, in front of the Zoom. 9 to 10 is teachers meeting, 10 to 11 is one teacher, two teachers class, 11 to 12, one teacher's class, 12 to 1, 2 to 3 to 4. Till 4 o'clock, I am having class. I am an observer in that class, because I need to guide them. And what are the changes? This is a new technology, and this new method for teachers also. And every evening also we'll have a meeting, all the directors. Okay, so life became busy for me. So I think now parents are also excited, students are also excited, and our office staff are also excited to work like this, and we are able to give more information. The teachers are using new methods, new technologies, new slides they are making. They are making some videos. Okay, they are preparing better than what they teach in the class, because in the class only students are there. But now parents are there, many other school students are there, and many other school parents are there, and marketing became very easy for us now. Because previously when we call any parent, madam, I am in office, otherwise I am in somewhere driving, I am with someone else, I am with some friends and everything. But everyone is
Sir, I am
now.
sorry to interrupt you in between, sir. There is some technical issue which I am facing. I'll be sending you a new link, sir. Can you log in through that link, sir? Everyone, please, if you people don't mind, there's some technical issue over here.
So you want to log out now? You want us to log out?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'll just log out. I'll be sending you a new link now immediately. You please log in, please.
Yeah, please send it to my mail ID.
Surely.
There will be a lot.
So the future is this, what I felt in this 15 days. And Sunday was completely locked out, and from Monday it was announced that it is locked down and everything. And from Monday we are continuously working, and I trained our teachers within one day. All of them are training, already trained parents also in one day. Parents, students are individually operating the Zoom calls now, and see, it is very easy to work with technology now. That what we felt is, and we are missing personal touch of our students, our employees, and everything. This it created, this COVID created a lot of positive things, except for negative thing, that is spreading one person to one person. Okay, but lot of things I took it positively, because you see, many manners we previously used to teach our students many manners, but now that became a habit now. All of them are washing their hands, getting up early in the morning. They're just bathing and getting ready. See, everything happening as it is. What to do, what not to do. Automatically, this COVID-19 is teaching us what I felt. But the thing is, some of the people, as our Lata Murthy madam told, uh, as per the government instructions, everyone, if they follow, quickly in India we can eradicate this COVID-19. But many people are not supporting and they are not scared about this virus. So, as Brenda is telling, it is as per the statistics, it is growing day to day, day to day, and we need to
Yes, sir.
create awareness day to day, day to day. So, we need to create awareness on this, how to avoid. Other than that, I feel when COVID-19 came, complete world learned the technology, complete world learned the manners, complete world
Yes,
is
sir.
learning the
Yes.
way of life, lifestyle. It is teaching us a lifestyle. This is my positive message. And thank
However,
you for
one of the
giving me this
yeah,
opportunity.
however, one of the vision of Narendra Modi was, to
Digital India.
create digital India. So I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
all the Indians have become digitalized now.
Yes, 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 yes. Now, forcibly, that is, I think Modi's prayer made us quickly digitalized. All the people.
Exactly, sir.
Yes, yes.
Exactly.
So yesterday we had this 9 minutes thing from Modi government. He wanted everyone to light candles. So did you do this from your?
Yes, myself, my wife, my children, even my housemaid who will stay in our house itself. We all together went to our balcony and lighted the candles, and it was very beautiful thought. And I think that is like a uh, yajna or homa, something like that. All India is doing that. Even Modi also is lighting a big light there. We have
Yeah,
seen. Okay.
yes, sir.
So all the ministers, prime minister, chief minister, all, even president of India also with his wife, he took two candles and he is staying outside. So this will definitely give some effect. As per our Hinduism, fire is having lot of effect behind it. So definitely it will happen something. Let us
Pray to
think
God.
positive, think
Yeah.
positive, and wait for quick relief from this COVID-19. But I think most of the education system, as I am an educationist, most of the education system will change from now, 100%, because many people did not adopt this what you call
Digital thing.
technology, digital technology or digital education or e-learning. But now it became easy for everyone, and they understood what is this. An evaluation was created, so automatically everyone will depend on this e-learning itself from now. Now e-learning market will have a lot of growth. What I feel is.
Mm.
100%, sir. Well said, sir.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
so
sir.
can
But Dr. Venkat Raidu, I just had one question.
yes, madam.
In regards to the employees, the
Hmm,
teachers,
hmm,
the staff of your school, and all that.
hmm,
So,
hmm.
what is that you have done to benefit them in your institution?
Yes,
And
madam.
how
See,
have you allotted the work slot for them, sir?
however, we give timetable in our school. We prepared a separate timetable for every teacher. But
Okay.
for them, it is they should prepare 4 to 5 times, and they should do rehearsals before they go to the class. That is one basic thing they are doing now. Because directly, previously, only children are in the class. They can teach as they like. They can use language as they like, and they can behave as they like. Now they should do proper makeup. First point. Second point, they should maintain their body language. Third point, they should use proper English, and they should present properly. They should not be scared by seeing them. So day to day, they increase them. Now they become very much perfect, like a TV anchor or like a TV actor or a movie actor. All our teachers became actors now.
Very
Uh,
good.
we can't replace teacher, madam. One of the school in Bangalore made one robot teacher. I think you
Yes.
have seen or not, a robot teacher in Bangalore, only one
Absolutely.
international school. But
Yes.
that how much it is successful, how much we can make successful with robot teachers and everything. It is not like a teacher, no. It may answer for any question, but
Mm.
one robot is teaching two teachers to control all the students. That will be the situation. So we can't replace the teachers. Teachers are must. What I feel.
So, in regards to the salaries and all that, you have taken care of.
Yes, yes, we are paying salaries, madam, because they are working more than what they work in the school. Because they start at 7:30 at their home and come to school by 8:45, and start 4:30 from the school and go to home at 7:30. Now they are working from 9 to evening 5. They are working, so we are paying full salaries. There is no deduction, and even we are getting collection also. Even we are asking parents to, the parents are, children are attending the classes, parents are ready to pay the fees also. Many parents are ready to pay the fees also. Our business did not stop. Our
Very
business
true.
did not stop. Our business did not stop 100%.
Good.
When we are giving proper quality service, parents are excited and they're telling no other school is doing in this area. You are doing this. We thought some parents told we thought to change the school, but now we will not change the school. What a care you are taking. Even we are not able to take the care. You are calling our children and asking what are the habits you are maintaining, how is your health, and these are the things you need to do. These are the things you do's and don'ts you are telling. We are very happy, and even we tell they are not listening nowadays. When you are coming into Zoom, they're getting ready and sitting in front of the Zoom very nicely, and we are very happy. We never saw them speaking in English in the house, but now they are speaking with you in English. We are really believing that our children know English. They are telling. These are the feedbacks what is coming.
Very true. All right. So in
Thank
case, yeah, yes, thank you so much, Dr. Venkaraidu. But in case your school, your teachers need any one of us, whoever are there today with in discussion, you need any help like Dr. Vijay Saraswati, Dr. Lata Murthy, Dr. Ramani Balu, Mr. Kaiser, and then we have our the best photographer here, Mr. Shrikant, and then we also have Prajwal Kumar and Brinda. So you can take any one of us, in fact, for any assistance you need for your teachers.
Surely,
I
sir,
want
we
any
are
one of
ready.
you, any one of you, madam, please find out one storytelling, because previously our teachers used to tell some stories like this, somewhere like a teaching the story, but we need them to 2 or 3 teachers to train them in storytelling. We are observing. We actually now we understood what they are doing in the class. Previously, we can't sit every time in the class. So now we are observing what is happening. Some storytelling. Pre-primary, we need some help from you.
I think Dr. Vijay Saraswati.
Yes, I can help because. Hello.
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Yeah.
we can.
Hi.
Because I think this will be like what you're seeking is seeking you.
Yeah.
To kill time, I have started a book, 1008. 108 moral stories for marvelous life.
Wow.
So that book is in progress, and I'm helping my children with a timetable every day.
Okay.
Like they have a storytelling time, drawing time, abacus time, cooking without fire. Then they also have a college work like that. I have designed the timetable so that they don't feel bored. Like I was sharing this with my mentor of mentors in USA, where we are having calls every Saturday for 3 hours. So what we realized is children are happy homeschooling with the parents, because we also forgot so many things which we are imbibing. Like I'm telling all the stories which my dad used to say, Alibaba and 40 thieves, and it is fairy tales what my mom used to say about Cinderella and all that. My children are really liking the graphical visualization which I make, elephant climbing a ladder, wearing a chaddi, all that. They laugh and laugh and laugh, and they learn as well. So I will be more than happy to support your school students with this storytelling methodology. With the storytelling methodology, they can actually learn. I mean, they can do graphical visualization. They can learn creative thinking and design thinking. On this is what I've been doing all my life. So I'll be more than happy to help if you need anything with regard to making their brain work 3 times faster.
Very
So
great,
that would
madam.
be
Thank you very
my
much.
end of expertise.
Even I made a list of 30-40 children movies, and we posted to the parents. We are posting to the children every day one, and we prepared a questionnaire on that movie, and we are asking them questions. Our English teachers are doing this, so this also helped a lot. Very good movies. I made a list. If anyone want, I can share that movies also.
Surely, sir. Surely.
What we can do is, like in storytelling also, we can give a little bit of learning. For example, I was teaching them our periodic table, like 1 is hydrogen, 2 is helium, and 9 is fluorine. So every day 10 periodic table in a form of a story. So they learn science through story and maths through story. Like that we can plan. Yeah, of course, because when we take the review and feedback, that is when they feel really powerful. So this is a time that they have, they were overloaded with information. They had too much of information and they didn't know what to take. Now that suddenly they are confined and they feel that they have lot of time, I would call them unsung heroes and superheroes, because suddenly they were so busy and suddenly they have become so free, but they are handling it patiently, and children are doing their best to support in our time of distress. So I would call each and every student my unsung hero, because they're supporting at this time when we are only bravery. When we parents, when we people are affected by staying at home, I know how difficult it is for the little ones who have an active brain. And people,
Correct.
they had a lot of active time with students, teachers, and there was a buzzing life for them. So
Correct.
suddenly getting confined into the four walls of the house, it could be a real challenge for them, which they may not even discuss. So I think we have to cut their challenge by giving lot of stories, and Zoom is a boon, I would say.
Correct.
So
Correct.
I think we should make use of the technology as much as possible. And I think to realize the value of virtual world, this happened. So it
Correct.
could be
Correct.
a blessing in disguise.
Correct. I also
True.
feel
Lot of
blessing, madam.
family
Very
time.
true. Yes. 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 We are with families. I
We are
never
getting
stayed
lot of
15 days.
family time,
Yes. Yes.
and
I
we are
never got.
enjoying ordinary things extraordinarily well.
Yes. 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 Exactly. Mm.
About
Okay.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
all
you,
I heard
ma'am.
was that. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Prajwal.
Yeah.
Ma'am, about Zoom, all I heard was the advantages of the Zoom till now. Venkata Raidu sir said the Zoom would be good, better than before. So we can see what students are doing in front of us. And ma'am said the Zoom is a blessing for us. And all I agree all that, ma'am. But in some, as a student, in what I feel is like some theory part of okay, we can hear and just understand what it is. There are some practical subjects for me, so which I have
Sir,
to see
I
all
want
the
to correct, sir. Here we are taking only practical things, only activities we are taking in our Zoom classes at present. We are not
Exactly.
but
teaching anything theory. We have a whiteboard we can teach, but we are teaching only some experiments, some art and craft, and some puzzles. Many things, as Madam told, many things like what she told. So
not like
all
this.
this we are.
Actually, I have a subject called IT information. Okay, sorry, income tax. In the actually in see what ma'am is doing on the board and how she's explaining step by step. And actually in Zoom also we have a screen sharing, we have a whiteboard, we have a dashboard. But uh, what I saw in yesterday's like Saturday's class was like she was saying that it is so difficult for me to understand you guys. Like if it is in a class, I would have just explained it clearly that that thing will go to your mind. But in this, I can't explain it properly. This is one disadvantage for us, and we can't hear it. And there is a technical issue, sir. Internet connection gone wrong. That has happened to me before also joining the video. In that case, in that case we can't hear the things the ma'am is speaking properly, or we can't see this, or we can't see visually what is happening and all. The technical issues also connected to this. So there's also disadvantage in the Zoom apps, sir. So that is what I'm
Exactly,
saying.
Prajwal. Like something is better than nothing, right? So we are utilizing this app somewhere over there, and somehow this app is getting helpful for all the students, not only students, for corporates also, where you yourself know that how we have discussions every day, right?
No, basically not only Zoom in
Just
India,
to
but
add
we
on to
have.
Prajwal,
Yes,
Ma'am?
ma'am.
I'm sorry, just to add on to Prajwal, what Prajwal was telling is right. I see a couple of my cousins also complaining on the same. They see teachers are always on Zoom and taking classes, but it is so difficult for them to comprehend many of the practical oriented subjects. So theory is fine, but when it comes to practicals, it's pretty, they're finding it a little difficult. The connectivity with the faculties, they're not able to get a hang of it. And plus the other complaints, what I was constantly getting was, there's a continuous class. At least the teachers has been allotted the timetable. Like they just come for 2 hours or 1 hour and take the class and finish and go. But it's not in the case of students. They log in at 9 o'clock and they wind up at 4 o'clock. So it's like a stretch class and the connectivity is lost. So what Prajwal was telling was making sense for me.
Exactly, ma'am.
No,
I
but if
agree
you
with
can
you.
see, I am working from last 15 days completely from morning to evening. Properly, if you can use all the facilities in the Zoom, you can do anything. But you can't do like chemistry practicals and physics practicals or something like that.
Yes.
But
True.
you can do everything, whatever you can do in the classroom. That is true. Better than what you do in the classroom, you can do using this Zoom app. Other than practicals as chemistry practical, physics, biology, or some practicals are there, you can't do anything. Even you can show how it happens. That's all. It is easier to show, but you can't make them to do in front of you. That is that only point. Other than that, lot of facilities are there. If you can understand complete Zoom, you will it will be great. For teachers also, it will be very easy to work out with Zoom. That is also
Yes,
what
sir.
we saw.
Sir, actually, keeping the Zoom thing aside, the point you mentioned on the last talk you were doing, you said as of a marketing thing, it is more useful nowadays. Actually, you said you can call directly to the person, so they're not in the busy or something. They're
Yeah, yeah,
not in the work schedule, or you said. But
yeah.
as of a marketing analyst, even I'm doing, but it is not as you said, sir, because actually even if we get the call, even if we start off with our work, uh, even sorry, can you hear me, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
go.
we can hear.
Sir, even if we get a call on that, and even if we approach them, that is not easy to follow up on the next thing. Anyways, in the what we sales field is like we have to follow up. We have to be in the. There is a steps to follow. Just as on call, it is okay, but as of approaching them, the next step would be difficult. So the marketing thing is not happening. That what I feel, sir.
See,
Anyways,
sir, I
yes.
want to tell something. In some products, marketing is happening. We have one more company called StayFit. That is where we supply gym equipment. We have 14 showrooms all over Bangalore. See, all the people are in house. They are giving orders for gym equipment, and they're doing workouts, and they're paying immediately. And we are going to deliver. We took permission from commissioner, and everything is happening well. Vegetables are going on. Groceries we are getting, and many things like garments which are not much necessary, which are not much important, they are not able to do. But companies trainings. Now I am attending from morning to evening to night. I am attending nearly 4 workshops. 4 workshops I am attending where I am a student there. In some workshops I am a host there. So if you want to plan properly, any business you can work out, sir, no problem. But properly you should plan. It's not so tough in India like other countries. It's not so tough. Business is happening, but no one is opening their mouths. It is happening. It's happening. Business is happening. A lot of business is happening. Even police also is giving license for required people. They're giving license and they're giving passes. So if you want to do some important thing which people require, it is there. Lot of online business is happening. For my children also, I purchased some. Now parallelly my daughter is coming and asking me. She's attending French class now. Morning she registered, and now at 4 o'clock she's attending French class.
Okay.
So everyone is involved. That is happening, sir. You should properly market the product. You should have knowledge on this product. See, first at this present situation, to do marketing, you should give some service and do marketing. First, you should show some service, and then go for marketing. Zoom also first it gave us for free of cost. Now we all purchase Zoom, and we are working on that. We don't know what is Zoom before 15 days. We entered with free, and now we purchase for 1 year. That is the way how market is going on. Anyway, thank you for giving me a lot of time. and I want to just quit from this meeting as I have one more meeting in other computer.
Not an issue,
No,
sir. Thank you for
no
giving us
problem,
your
sir.
precious time, sir.
Thank you,
Nice
sir. So
speaking to you,
can
sir.
Thank you.
sir, can we have Shrikant sir here to talk, share his views, sir? So can you hear
Yeah,
us?
hi.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, sure. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Please
Yes,
go
sir.
Not
ahead.
hear me? Yeah. First of all, wholeheartedly, I want to congratulate Mr. Kizar for bringing me this very good, lovely group where we have a huge, very talented peoples like Lata ma'am, Dr. Ramani ma'am, and Venkatayadu sir, and students like Prajwal and Brinda and all the teammates.
Thank you, sir.
So,
And Dr. Vijaya Saraswati also.
Vijay sir.
She's a brain,
yeah, Vijay Saraswati madam, yeah, Vijay
memory
Saraswati
brain
madam,
expert.
yeah. She is the person who put Cheddi to elephant and made climb in the ladder.
Yes.
Even this, yeah, even I do the same thing. Even we are doing the same thing nowadays in my home. So where we don't have any job, we are trying to spend most of our time with our children, telling story like Vijay sir, what Vijay madam is doing, the same thing we are doing. And regarding COVID-19, my suggestion, I want to go with Ramani ma'am. Dr. Ramani ma'am, what she said, Modi's initiative is very good. Actually, what he has planned to bring the nation, and he wants to close this COVID-19, and he wants to close with Corona. He wants to Corona to get out of our country. He's trying very much, and people to some extent, like 80%, I think they are supporting his initiative, and other 20% people are neglecting, like what we say, where I thought in Karnataka we'll be having only maximum 100. So now we are reaching nearly 200. It's because of N square, as you all know. One is Nijamuddin and one is Nanjangudu. So it's better. So we all should listen to not Modi's words. Everyone should be at home, be safe, spend most of our time with our family members, which we I was dreaming to spend my time with my family members at least for 1 week, because my schedule was like this. I was roaming. When I was free in that Ashad month and Dhanurmasa, where I will be at home, my children and my wife, they will be in their office and in their school. So I couldn't spend much of my time with my children, and now we have got a very good time to spend with our families and children. And also, safety is the main thing. Safety, as ma'am told, if any emergency we have to go out. We have to go out with precautions, wearing mask and gloves, and say namaste to everyone. No, this, not shaking hands with anybody, and it's better to be at home. And I want India to be the last and least in Corona COVID-19 in number of deaths and in number of cases also. And I wholeheartedly congratulate the doctors, the persons, to the police people, and who are all working for this COVID-19. Even I was volunteering. I'm from past 1 week regularly. I am working as a volunteer with my teammates, giving food, and we are regularly meeting people, those who are suffering without food, and we are searching them, and we are giving food to them regularly. From last 5 days we are working. Today we didn't have any complaints, so we are at home. So I request all of you to be very safe at home, and please follow the rules and regulations what the government is saying. And anything, Kizar, if you ask questions, I can answer, Kizar. I'm used
Sir,
to answer your questions
how
always.
is this COVID-19 affected your business, sir? Since you are the treasurer of Karnataka Photographer Association,
Yeah,
do you want to talk about the
hundred
photographers?
hundred
Anything
percent,
they are
100%.
facing, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Last, I think you saw last 4 days before. Yes, I think you have seen my interview in News 18, where I was talking to the reporter. Like, actually, this photography field, we are into photography field, and we are the persons who work for season. It's a season business, as you know, weddings and all. No, it's a season business. This is the right season time after what we say Shankranti, Makar Shankranti. It's January 15th. From January 15th to July, where we say it as Ashad Masha, no? Ashada. So till there it's a peak season, and this is the and this time, no, this is school holidays. We'll be having a lot of munjis and that type of functions and all. So we people are always busy. This is the peak time for the photographers, where we earn from January to June, and we plan for the whole year with that money, because after Ashada we'll get Pitru Paksha and some we don't have that much of business. We'll be having in the October end and November. That's it. Okay. So this is the peak season which we lost. Actually, almost April weddings are been cancelled, and this month, no, it's a very precious month where this 25th and 26th we had a very big muhurtam. As you all know, every year you get Akshaya Tritiya. You all know that Akshaya Tritiya. Okay, this month 25th and 26th is Akshaya Tritiya. So it's a very big muhurtam time for the photographers, where they could have earned a lot or something for their family living. So everything is gone, Kisa. There's no any bookings for photographers. Even though I booked up to June, I got the advance up to June weddings, where April wedding people give advance. They're telling they can't keep the money, but they are not going to make in palace grounds or something else. The wedding is cancelled. I think we are planning for the same day in a small temple, okay, with 20 to 30 people. You can come over there, take pictures and go. You have that money, but we are planning for a very big reception after once this lockout is done. So this is the present situation, and we have requested the government, Karnataka government, and also we have mailed and written letter to Mr. Modi ji. Actually, photography field is into unauthorized labor sector. In Kannada, if we say Asangatika Karmika Vale, okay. So we have been recognized as unauthorized labor sector. We have written the letter to central government and also the government people to consider us, and minimum at least 5 to 10,000 rupees per month at this time for a person who is having ID card, who is a member of a association. If that money is being given from the government, it will be very helpful for the photographers. We are doing our what can we do to the photographers? We are doing. That's our individual things. Okay, not from the association. We are collecting. If Kiza is my friend, I'll tell Kiza, you contribute this, I'll contribute this, we'll do to the gallo. That we are doing. But we are expecting something from government to do for these photographers, because if you go to north side, Uttar Karnataka, what we say, Uttar Karnataka photographers, they're very much suffering, sir. They have a very small
Exactly,
studio.
Shrikant sir. I
And,
saw your interview on News 18 Kannada. You and the president were speaking about this, sir. Seriously, it was a heart-touching story, sir, and the views which you had shared and all, sir. I hope our chief minister and our prime minister looks into this matter and solves this issue as soon as possible. Sir,
yeah.
our prayers are
Yes,
with
but
all of them.
they are not getting, excuse me, Kisa, they are not getting even a single passport. Okay. They were earning daily 100 rupees to 200 rupees daily in a studio. That North Karnataka people nowadays, they are telling, sir, 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ವರಮಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ. In Bangalore, guys are telling, sir, photographers ಯಾರಿಗೇನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ actually what they say is okay. All are not A class, no. We have to see all the people from bottom to this one. We have to see. Being a office bearer of association, we have to see from every part of the Karnataka. So we are struggling, and I think tomorrow we have an interview in public TV. So expect all the viewers with Ragnar. I think he can help us to
Exactly,
promote
sir.
the photography industry to next level at this suffering stage.
So basically,
So
sir,
what else
you
is
shared
there?
your views regarding how your work has affected because of this lockdown.
Exactly.
Yeah, sir.
Not only his work, all the community photographers community work,
Community.
who all were dependent on this thing. It has been affected, Brinda. Now we have
Yes, sir.
Vijaya Saraswati, ma'am. Ma'am, can you share your views about COVID-19 in next 3 to 4 minutes, ma'am? We're running short of time, ma'am.
Yeah. The challenge is, see, with COVID, fear is there, irrespective of whether we belong to which category, daily laborers or the regular middle class family or office goers, be it salary class or be it rich. See, this COVID-19 is challenging for everybody because the fear factor is there, because it won't see rich or poor. It's an airborne disease and it can happen to anybody. The only precaution available is staying at home, staying safe. Now, when we see this, when we say this, the challenge is how are we going to pay ourselves for the next, 1 month or 2 months or maybe the next week? We are not aware because the situation is not clear. It is a very strange challenge which we are facing. All that we can do at this moment of challenge is hold each other's hand and support. Like Shrikant sir put, it is about food now. It is about the basic requirements of roti kapda makan bolte the na. It is like that now. We are at home and we have the basic requirements and we are getting a family time. It is like going 100 years or back and being in the home and doing things. So at this point, the first thing what I would love to tell is, see what all we were urging to do, like reading a book or spending time with the family or taking that rest or planning that project, thinking forward for the next 1 or 2 months, like that what we missed doing, that we need to prioritize now, especially health. People who were not able to exercise before, people who were not able to give that time for themselves and their family, they should motivate them to think positive and do something phenomenal at this given period of time. Like I said initially also, let us do ordinary things extraordinarily well. Maybe it can be as simple as learning cooking or learning art or writing a book or reading a book or doing exercise. All small things also. Let us make a table, and like how Ramani Balu ma'am started, like that, let us avoid giving that focus, because whatever we focus grows. Let us see COVID, right? COVID. Take away that see and make it avoid. Avoid news. Avoid sending SMS or WhatsApp or Facebook or anything related to COVID. Avoid. All that we have been asked for is stay home, stay safe. I would say stay home, stay safe, and stay happy, because each one of us are
Sure,
going
ma'am.
through this. Each one of us are going through this challenge of uncertainty. Nobody is certain what's going to happen. They say that June 29th, up to that, there won't be no international travels. So all our assignments are based on international travel, and that is doomed. So we are not clear. We don't know. See, cash is temporarily uncash situation. This time is temporarily uncash. Business, like Venkat sir said, online business are happening, but literally that would not suffice. That would not be enough. All that we can do is lead a very, very, very basic life, but have a mindset of a monk, where we need to meditate, where we need to have marvelous food, which is very much basic. And very importantly, the third thing is make over your health, wealth, and happiness. So these are the three things which I would like to suggest. I don't even want that 4 minutes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Actually, so basically, like how I like what, as not as the host, as an employee of Kizzer Technologies, like what I have felt past 15 days, like company is taking care of us, and more than that, we are getting the luxury to work from home. Apart from working, we can actually maintain a professional life as well as we can manage personal life. See, ma'am, I'm a bachelor. I stay with my sister, so I don't have my parents with me. They are staying northeast, so it's like a long distance. I was like, I wanted to see them, but this is something new to me. Okay, this lockdown, so everything, getting groceries, everything apart from that going down was like, okay, we can manage this. So basically, mentally, we are strong. We are very confident about, okay, we can go through it. So this is what we have spoken. We got each and every person's thoughts, everyone's experience, how they are
Yeah,
coming
Brinda, go on.
across.
I'm listening.
Yes, ma'am. So I want to thank each and every person to give your precious time here. Thank you for sharing your views. Each person, Lata ma'am, Ramani ma'am, Vijay
Yeah, like
Saraswati
you
ma'am,
said, Brinda,
Shikar.
I second your thoughts. The productivity has gone up really well.
Yes, ma'am.
Vijay ma'am, go ahead, ma'am. You are telling something, ma'am.
Yeah. Dr. Vijay Saraswati. Yeah, you can go ahead. You were saying something and the video got disconnected.
Ma'am, you can continue.
It's for me.
Yes,
Yes,
Vijay
ma'am.
ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. First of all, my apologies. I'm here in my village called Kodumudi, so the network is not really great. So
Yeah,
you would
ma'am.
have seen I have changed almost 3 to 4 places in order to be into this meeting. But I'm thoroughly enjoying my time here in village. See, because it doesn't matter whether you're in Bangalore or whether you're in my village, it doesn't matter because mm, at the end of the day, we are all home quarantined, right? So it doesn't matter where we are. All that it matters is, see, we have 86,400 seconds with us every day. And especially now that it is very clear we cannot move out. Like, when did we get 21 days of clear time to work on ourselves? Having this clarity, we will not get any outside assignments, nor the children will have the crazy deadlines of assignments, exams, and we having our own deadlines, and people at home are not clear whether we'll be staying this weekend with them or not. This is a very clear cut situation that if we are staying at home, we are saving ourselves as well as saving others life by not getting infected or not creating an infection. See, one thing is really great. I mean, we need to be super proud that we are incredible Indians. My friends in USA feel India is safer now. Saturday
Very true.
we had a Zoom meeting with 864 people, and out of that, most of them felt that India is safe because of the BCG injection which we took when we were 1 or 2 days old. And they feel that because this virus is not growing where 130 crores population is staying, and we are safe. So first thing is, I would give this credentials for the commendable leadership sitting there to our noble Prime Minister Narendra Modi for bringing in stern actions without even
Yes,
bothering
ma'am.
what others think about us. It is about what we are thinking. So what we have to do at this time is, first we should be clear whether we are mentally strong or strongly mental. So all that we have to do is be mentally strong, because we can get into anxiety, we can get into depression easily, we can get into this uncertainty challenge. What challenge we have, we usually put it on our family members. We get angry, we get challenging dreams, we are scared how the life will be and all that. For that, I would only tell one thing: as soon as you get up, 5 minutes of meditation is very important, believing the Almighty. See, whether this coronavirus was there or not there, we are not having the clarity when we are going to die. All of us are in this spaceship called Earth. The moment we are born, we are walking towards the grave. The moment we are born, all of us, irrespective of age, irrespective of whether you're rich.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
There might be some network issue over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think our video has stopped.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Uh,
can we have your words then here? What we are doing as working.
Hello?
Vijaya
Could you
ma'am,
hear
yes
me?
ma'am, we can
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
I
you
think
ma'am.
there
Go
was a
ahead ma'am.
challenge with the network. Am I there?
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah,
Ma'am.
Yeah,
all
yes.
are there. Now,
Am I audible?
yeah, you are
Yeah.
audible,
So
and
we are not, it was uncertain that death is there. Right. Like that, now that we are certain this 21 days we are going to be at home, we have to ensure that we have a good mindset. We have to cook, clean all by ourselves, no maids available. So plan your day. Plan favors the prepared. Chance also
okay,
favors the prepared. So plan is nothing, planning is everything.
exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
So it was wonderful, and thank you so much for the interaction, all of you.
Thank you, Lata ma'am. It's
You're
always
most welcome.
wonderful to speak to you and your team.
Thank you. A pleasure to have such a lovely,
Speakers over
such
here
lovely
ma'am.
people. Yes. And in regards to this, we had a sequence of unwanted events. We had what do you say, Janta
Yeah.
curfew,
Janata curfew.
and then
Yes.
after that we had our lockdown, and a lot of news of uncertainty at workplace. It all created some type of crisis. So leading to this, Kiza Technologies has taken very good steps forward in regards to maintaining a decorum, and it has thought about the founder and the CEO, Mr. Kiza
Thank you ma'am.
Ahmed, has thought about various ways to overcome all this. All right. So he has taken care of his employees very well. He has adopted a focused approach, and then he has gathered correct and relevant information, and he has created a group of Zoom conferences, as well as he has ensured that his employees should change their perspective, working from home, not work at home only. Isn't it, Brinda? You are
Yes,
one
ma'am.
of the team members,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
even
Definitely.
Fajr Kumar is also one of the team member. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the best thing what I noticed was, Kiza, that your effective communication with your inside your organization, along with your employees, and the roles and responsibilities that you have delegated to each and every one, very well done.
Thank you so
And
much.
the discussions what you are into has to further develop better, and it's very good that you have brought in all your team members working with you, and ensure that everybody is paid well and all that. You had also, because being an advisor to your company, you've also mentioned to me about the postponement of the salary date.
Exactly.
Yes, which you have to stand to. And wishing you all the best and success, and all the other delegates who have joined this conference also. Wishing you all the best. Stay
Thank
safe
you, ma'am.
and take care of yourself.
Thank you so much, Lata ma'am. I thank each and every one of you, Dr. Ramani Balu ma'am, Dr. Vijaya Saraswati ma'am, Lata ma'am, Shrikant sir. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us, giving your precious time today. Seriously, you people, we had a great discussion actually today. And
Thanks for inviting me.
we too would that all this video will be circulated over there. And we had one more person, he had to leave early today. So I thank Mr. Venkat sir also for joining us today. Shrikant sir, you want to tell something? You are telling something, sir?
Venkat Raidu, it was Venkat Raidu. He left, no? Venkat Raidu.
Yes, sir.
Dr.
Kaiser,
Venkat
if
Raidu,
you
yes.
have,
Can you?
actually, I think I have to put my hand up.
Tell me, ma'am.
No, I was just saying,
Kaiser,
Mr.
if you
Venkat Raidu.
have a little time, I want to understand what exactly your company does. Because see, we were looking for partners who will be able to promote our Vibes program. Like you, hope you are aware that I'm into this memory program, right?
Exactly.
We do.
We cannot hear you.
We can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now it's okay.
So,
I think there is
Keezer,
a
I'll be
disturbance.
taking leave.
Not an issue, Lata ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. Vijay ma'am, I'll
Thank you,
be
ma'am.
calling personally and speaking to you regarding the same, ma'am.
Sure.
Lamni
Okay.
Balu, thank you so much, ma'am. Shrikant sir, thank you so much. Prajwal, Brinda, thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Have a
Thank
great
you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Take care of
Thank you.
yourself.
Bye-bye.
Ramad and Brinda,
Bye,
thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank
much
you.
for inviting
Thank you
us.
so
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye,
Take care.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Thank you. Bye.
Huh?
Thank you, Shrikant sir.
Yeah, 1 second, Kizar.